Hashtag gaming software platform updates long-form tutorial script. You're leaving performance on the table right now. Most gamers have no idea that their gaming platform just got a massive upgrade that could transform how they play. I'm going to show you exactly what changed and how to activate these features today. Welcome back to TechNavigator Pro. I'm your guide to mastering technology, and today we're breaking down the gaming software updates that nobody's talking about, but everyone should be using. Here's the problem. Gaming platforms release updates constantly, but most players just hit install and move on. They miss hidden features. They don't optimize their settings. They're playing with default configurations that leave frames on the table, longer load times, and miss social features. That changes today. Let's start with what actually changed. Per recent gaming platform documentation, the major platforms Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and Epic Games Store have all rolled out significant system improvements as of early 2024. But the features aren't obvious. You have to know where to look. First, open your gaming platform. For this example, we're using Steam. Look at the top menu. See the Steam drop-down? Click it. Now find Settings. That's your command center. This is where everything lives. Inside Settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find Interface. This section controls how your platform looks and behaves. But here's what most people miss: there's a library subsection within Interface. Click it. You'll see the library view options. This is huge. Steam now offers multiple layout options. You can switch from the standard view to the compact view or the grid view. Which one matters? It depends on your monitor size and preference. The compact view shows more games per screen. The grid view is more visual. Test both. Find your rhythm. Now go back to Settings. This time, click Steam Deck if you own one, or navigate to Controller. This is where the magic happens. Modern gaming platforms now support enhanced controller customization. You can create profiles per game. You can adjust sensitivity, button mapping, and even haptic feedback, that's the vibration feature, on a granular level. Here's your moment to engage with us. If you're finding this valuable, and I know you are because we're just getting started, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and gaming optimization is our specialty. New subscribers get access to our resource library with downloadable optimization guides. Subscribe now. Alright, let's go deeper. We're back in Settings. Find in-game settings. This is critical. You'll see options for Steam Overlay. The overlay is that in-game menu you access with Shift plus Tab. But here's what changed: you can now customize what appears in that overlay. You can pin certain friends, add quick access tools, and even control notification behavior without leaving your game. Next, navigate to Remote Play. According to recent platform updates from 2024, Remote Play functionality has expanded significantly. This feature lets you stream your games to other devices. You can play on your main gaming machine and stream to your phone, tablet, or laptop. Click Enable Remote Play. Then add the devices you want to stream to. It's that simple. Your living room PC can become available to every screen in your house. Now here's something advanced that separates casual players from power users. Go to Downloads and Settings. You'll see your download queue and bandwidth settings. But look closer, there's now an option for download regions. Gaming platforms have optimized server selection. If you're experiencing slow downloads, try switching your download region. If you're in North America, try US servers in different regions. Sometimes a West Coast server downloads faster than your default. This isn't magic, it's network optimization. Let's talk about library organization, because a disorganized library wastes time. Go back to your main library view. See those categories on the left? You can create custom collections. Right-click in your library. Select Create Collection. Name it 2024 Backlog or Competitive Games or whatever makes sense for you. Then drag games into these collections. Next time you launch the platform, your games are organized. You're not scrolling endlessly looking for one title. One more advanced feature. Open Settings again. Find Family Library. According to gaming platform documentation from 2024, family sharing now includes better restrictions and time management tools. If you have kids or younger gamers sharing your account, you can set playtime limits, restrict mature content, and manage what each family member can access. Set it up. It's responsible gaming. Here are the pro tips that will set you apart. Number 1. Update your graphics driver. Gaming platforms work best when your GPU driver is current. Check your graphics card manufacturer's website monthly. Number 2. Enable hardware acceleration in your platform settings. This offloads work from your CPU to your GPU. Smoother performance, lower temperatures. Number 3. Clean up your startup items. Gaming platforms don't need to launch automatically. Disable that in your system settings. Let your machine breathe. Number 4. Use the built-in benchmarking tools. Many platforms now include performance monitoring. Enable it. Watch your frame rates, GPU usage, and CPU usage in real time. This data tells you if you need to lower graphics settings or if your system is crushing it. Number 5. Join communities within the platform itself. Every major game has a discussion board or community hub. These aren't just for complaints. They're for tips, tricks, and optimization advice from other players who own your exact hardware. Number 6. Back up your game saves. Modern platforms offer cloud saves, but don't rely on it exclusively. Export important saves locally. One corruption, one server issue, and you're protected. The last pro tip: participate in beta features. Gaming platforms often release new features in beta mode first. Opt in. Test them. Provide feedback. You get early access to improvements, and developers get real-world data. It's a win-win. Look, gaming software updates happen constantly, but knowing where these features hide separates frustrated players from confident ones. You've just learned the settings architecture, discovered hidden customization options, and gained tools that most gamers will never find. You're ahead now. Remember, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. That's our mission at TechNavigator Pro. You've got the knowledge. Now go optimize your platform. Hit subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for navigating with us today.